What did we buy today? What is that? The Mega Bloks Fisher Price Racing Garage. Can you show me how it works, River?
Yeah.
Can you show me? What's it do?
The garage open.
Came with a big cool box. Now show me what what it does. Show me the cars. What do the cars do, in case some kids need to know how to put this together. We couldn't find a video on it, so we're going to show you how. And there's the garage. And River put the door on. And what do we put at the bottom?
Keys.
Yeah, the wheels. And you want to show it how it goes down the ramp? That's pretty cool. Here we go. Whoa! All the way to my drink. Uh-oh. Oh, and it's got a green top, right, River?
Yeah.
And you can switch them. You want to show people how you switch them so they can see how to put it together right? You can take that blue off. And you can put the green like that. Good job. It's really good. What color do you think people would like?
Blue.
Blue? Okay. Let's take a look up close at the little man in your car. Now what's that car gonna do? That car is going to what? They're gonna race? Oh, let's get up close. It's going in the
garage.
Yeah. There's a little man on top. Hey there, River. Get that car in the garage. We'll fix it for ya. It's fixed. Time to get it out. Whoa. He's getting it out. Oh my. Ah, stuck. Oh.
It's harder to get out.
It sure is.
Now let's try it back to blue and see what it does.
All right.
Put the green away.
Yeah. See, you can block them right on there, can't you? Very good.
Get it out.
So that one went.
Right. It's just a restaurant, isn't it?
It is. We put this all together really fast. Woo! And we'll show you it on the top again. You want to show them sliding down? And this little man's gonna come check you out. Hey, do you have my car done yet? I'd like to see it, please. Oh, great job. Thank you. Looks great. Thanks so much. I gotta sit back on my seat.
How you go here?
Oh, I'm in the wrong place. Now we're gonna take a drive. Take a ramp drive. Here we go. Whoa! There's a little girl, but she's from the little people.
Yeah.
Does she want to be part? Oh, now we're going over to the tree house. Should we move over to the tree house?
Yeah.
This is something else we put together. That was yesterday.
No.
We can show them what it says. A little doggy?
We'll put together.
Yeah.
I will put together.
Okay.
There, now I'm putting it together.
Blah, 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 blah.
9 minutes fast.
Oh, fast. The faster the better. Woo, woo. That makes it awesome. Really fast and really woo. This would make some sounds too. Oh, whoa. Thank you. Great job.
I'll give you a push.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Cha-cha.
Cha-cha.